Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to lock our PowerPoint presentation. So this is something new. You must be thinking locking of PowerPoint presentation because nobody knows about such function which is available in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. The function is that we can lock our PowerPoint presentation. And now I will show you what exactly I want to say. Now this is the PowerPoint presentation. Suppose I will click on this image. Now you can see that I can delete this image. If I click here, I can do any changes or editing in this slide. Now I will show you the same slide with another feature. Now you can see here I am clicking, but it is not giving me option of editing. If I click here, you can see the slide is moving, but it is not giving me the option of editing. But in this presentation, you can see I can select, I can delete, I can do whatever I want to do with this presentation. So whenever we give any talk to any conference or any workshop, then there are few people who demand us our PowerPoint presentation. That may be for their reference or research purpose, and we directly give them our presentation on their pen drive. In such case, if the presentation is not locked, then that person can open our presentation. That person can delete our name and put their own name, and they can do whatever they want with presentation. So in such case, our data may be misused without giving proper credit. So in such case, if we give those person a locked PowerPoint presentation, then like in this image, they won't be able to edit our PowerPoint presentation. And now in this video, I will show you how to lock our PowerPoint presentation. So I will close this presentation. Now again, this is the main presentation which is having option of editing. Now after finishing my presentation, I will just go to the file. I will click on save as, and here this is the normal mode of PowerPoint saving. If we save as it is, then it will show us this option of editing. And now I want to log this PowerPoint presentation. So I will click on file, I will click save as, and here save as time I will click on PowerPoint picture presentation. I will again go back, I will click on file, save as, and in this save as type option I will select PowerPoint picture presentation, and I will give the path of document, and I will give some name, locked PPT. I will click on save. Now it is showing message, a copy of this presentation has been saved. Now I will go to the respective folder, and here you can see locked PPT file is there. The moment I open that file, you can see the PPT is locked. I don't have option of editing. So whatever the matter was there in this PPT, which I converted into this locked PPT, the PowerPoint has saved this slide entirely in the form of image. So there is no option of editing the PowerPoint. So this is how we can lock our PowerPoint presentation. Here you can see I am not getting option of editing my presentation. But in this old PPT, you can see I am having option of editing my PPT. So this is how we can lock our PowerPoint presentation. The advantages of this locking system are that if we want to give our presentation to third party, then if the presentation is locked, then third party won't be able to make changes in our presentation. And second important feature is that sometimes we prepare PowerPoint presentation on our laptop or computer, and when we play the same to others laptop or computer, then if the Microsoft PowerPoint version is different on that laptop, then we may face problem of alignment changes and all. So in such cases, if we are having locked PowerPoint presentation, then there won't be any issue of alignment changes or such type of technical issues. So this is how you can prepare and save your PowerPoint presentation in the lock mode. Thank you.